If the ultra-wide camera option isn't showing on Snapchat, don't panic. Here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, make sure your phone supports ultra-wide. The ultra-wide lens only works on devices that actually have one. For iPhone users, make sure you're using iPhone 11 or newer. And for Android users, some phones like Samsung Galaxy S10 or newer supports it. If your phone doesn't have an ultra-wide camera, Snapchat won't show the option. After that, update Snapchat. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. Then, search for Snapchat and tap Update if available. Ultra-wide support can depend on the latest version of the app. After that, restart your phone. A quick restart often helps Snapchat refresh camera access. Then enable all camera permissions. And for that, go to your iPhone's setting. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. After that, search for Snapchat and tap on it. Here, make sure camera is toggled on. And on the Snapchat camera screen, try a pinch out gesture. On supported phones, this automatically switches the ultra-wide lens. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these, and thank you for watching.